Hi beautiful people, it's Mitch and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know, since I last vlogged, but I'm back and this is my first ever YouTube video this year and I'm so excited kasi I'm going to be editing for my vlogs again. For the past few months, I've been editing work-related and miss ko talaga mag-vlog and to talk to you guys. So yesterday, we went to Sanrio pero hindi ako nakapag-intro, so I'm doing an intro. Now, it's the next day and I'm wearing this same top kasi para may consistency. So, yun, without further ado, let's get into the video. And also, I hope you'll enjoy this video. The restaurant we originally planned to eat was fully booked, so we decided to go to Sanrio instead. It's actually our second time dining here. The first time was their branch in Green Hills.
Gusto yung agad yung record natin. Let's see. Parang masyado wow, my hands. I think this is a garan. I think makakain.
Nakain ko na. There you go. So, hindi mo pa nakain?
Hindi, marami siya.
But this time, we tried their location here in Podio. We're still waiting for our order. Naantay pa namin yung order namin.
Pero may tempura na dito sa harap namin.
Sige, kakainin mo namin. Oops, hindi na nakita yung...
Baba ba?
Parang putol na ulo natin. Let's see what's the white one.
May lasang toyo na yung sauce.
Ano?
May lasang toyo na yung sauce.
Oops.
Gulat ako sa'yo eh.
Mali yung sauce na na... So crispy and juicy. Juicy.
Finger licking good.
Yummy.
Munti ka na 2 beses sa toyo.
Sarap. Ang sarap pag bagong luto yung tempura.
Pero tama ka rin sa toyo.
The staff were super accommodating as always, and the ambience so romantic. It's really such a cozy and inviting place. For our meal, I got the Wagyu beef Hamburg Jew. For drinks, I got house blended iced tea. And then Nico ordered the Una Jew. And we also had a shrimp tempura. We only ordered the small portion. And then Nico got Coke and matcha latte.
Hindi kita pagkain. Ano ba yan?
What should I do?
Dahan nyo sa bawang mo natin. Teka lang.
Apa?
Kasama yan doon sa...
Sese. Okay, cheers.
Yes, sir.
What? Ay! Parang matatapon. Go. Cheers! Oh.
Yummy.
Mas kalog din ah. Sabi sa'yo na gusto mo.
Ubusin natin ito.
Ano?
What's this one? Yung gitna.
Spicy.
Spicy? Saka wala. Ay, meron pala.
Cheers.
Cheers! How's going? Gusto ko yung una. Siyempre.
Ano yan? Sweet.
I need a drink.
Okay.
Spicy.
Pero compare sa Green Hills, mataas yung flavor niya dito.
Oh. Okay, the last one.
That's why.
Cheers. Ay, sinasaw mo? Ako hindi. I can. Can I?
Ay, wala din ano pa.
Dapat pala, hindi ko na lang ganyan. Ewan ko, hindi ka masyadong maalat. Pag ito. Pero masarap.
Ang dami mo nilagay.
Yes.
Gold na kami dapat yun. Kaya konti lang, yung tip lang nilagay.
Ay, dapat pala nag-soup muna tayo. Sarap.
Ang gusto natin yung susok na yun.
Yeah.
Salmon pa siya.
Yummy. Oo nga no, may salmon pala na halo.
Hindi na tayo mo naman na.
Nakalimutan ko. Okay.
Ginagaya mo na.
Yeah.
Cheers.
No, I don't like watermelon.
Try mo lang.
No,
Matamis.
I don't like.
Baka tayo mo.
I don't know.
Try mo lang.
I just don't like watermelon. So, kamusta yung food mo?
Mataba.
Mataba? So, is it yummy?
Just hit me with those brown eyes. Wanna take a ride, wanna roll the dice. I'm just another one of the nice guys.
Sarap.
Up your clouds to blue skies. Feels right. Brown eyes. Something just tells me that
Parang hindi yun yung na-expect ko.
looking for a
Akala mo.
girl is my ride or die.
Pero masarap siya.
Could be the one to
Ano akala mo?
just feels
Hindi ko ma-explain. Pero hindi ganyan na na-expect ko na taste.
things to say to you.
Akala mas fishy.
I'll be the one to make a move. And if you can't
Anyway, magko-concentrate lang kami mag-eat.
change your
Oo nga pala, meron pa pala. This is super hot. Yes, show it to them. Kaso baka kasi matapon. Nakita ba nila? Not very hot.
Ano to? Parang peanut. Yung kulay green na yun.
Peanut?
Hmm.
Magugustuhan ko ba?
Yes, kasi wala masyado lasa.
Anong nga to ulit?
Yung alam. Egg custard. Parang silken na egg.
Egg custard.
I-try mo yung green.
Hindi ba to ano?
Peanut. Parang peanut.
Peanut? Like, or beans?
Beans, pero lasang peanut. Diba?
Mm-mm.
Alam mo kung ano tawag yan?
No.
Edamame.
Edamame.
Ngayon, gusto mo na mag-edamame.
Okay lang. But hindi yung like gusto.
Kinadahan-dahan ko siya guys para kumain siya ng gulay.
Bakit gulay ba yun?
Oh,
Really?
yes. It's a bean. Congratulations. Naubos mo pa.
Yeah.
Nagustuhan mo, no? Ay, tinago pa. Pwede ba?
Oopsie.
Nabuking nakatago pa. So good.
Super init.
Pero sarap.
Yeah.
Ano siya na? Sa super.
Anyway, mag-concentrate na tayo kumain.
Anong favorite mo?
Mango. Kaso nakahalo siya sa watermelon.
Ha?
Ayun, no, nakadikit sila. Tabi na sila. Wala sila.
Try mo lang kumuha ng ano. Matamis mo yung
Sarap.
matamis mo yung kahit at manudlot sa gusto. Kahit na dikit hindi ang maglasa mo. Mas malakas yung lasa mo.
Hindi nakadikit sa apple.
Diba ang sarap? Mango.
Yeah.
Matamis.
But because you like it very much, I'm gonna
No.
give this all to you.
Dito, konti lang naman bigay kasi alam mo yung ibang tao hindi kinakain.
At pala sinabi ko, mango na lang to.
Yung kumpara lang yung susub dito doon sa akin. Dito, putol-putol yung salmon.
And that wraps up our dining experience at Sanrio here in Podium. The food was absolutely delicious, just like we remembered from our first visit in Green Hills, and we'll definitely be coming back for more.
Let's go, love. Let's go. Here comes Michelle. How to go down the escalator.
Thank you so much for watching, beautiful people. I can't wait to share more with you soon. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one over here where we went to Space and Time Cube. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.